Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your XIAOMI LED Desk Lamp 2 with an app. In order to do it, you'll need to install the XIAOMI Home or Mi Home depending on your region. It has different names, app. It can be both found on iPhones in App Store or on Android phones in the Play Store. Then when it's installed, click on Open. And before we continue, we need to turn on our lamp. So we have to first plug it in at the back. I'm gonna try to show you that. So here's my lamp. You can see it has this plug right here. So you need to plug it in, then you need to turn it on or not. You actually don't have to, but if you need to turn it on, then here is the power button. You should see it. Yes, here is the power button. You can just tap on it and it will turn on the lamp. And now in the XIAOMI Home app, first it'll ask you to log in, most probably, but I think you may skip it. But after you're logged in, then you can see new nearby devices. You can click on Start Adding, select the LED desk lamp, click on that. It'll just see it, but you need to enable Bluetooth while installing the XIAOMI Home app. So if you didn't, then you most probably just won't be able to see that device. So I need to agree to the user agreement. Okay, let's read it. Cool. Now I'm gonna click on OK. Now I'm gonna agree to location. So you actually need to either agree to the Bluetooth devices, to location as well, and to local networks. You don't need to agree to notifications if you don't want, but the other ones need to be allowed. So I'm gonna allow while using the app. Then I'm gonna agree to XIAOMI Home that will collect the precise geolocation information. And now I need to select the Wi-Fi network. It cannot be the 5 GHz one, so I need to click on select, and it will get me to my phone settings. And I need to go to the Wi-Fi, then connect to a Wi-Fi that doesn't have the 5 GHz. So I'm gonna connect to this one. I think it remembers the password. Okay, now I can go back to the XIAOMI Home app. You can see I'm connected to the correct network, and then I need to enter the password for that network so it can be sent to the lamp, so the lamp will be able to connect as well. Now I'm gonna click on OK. Then it'll upload the information to the device, so it'll take a moment. It may also in the process ask you to join the lamp's own Wi-Fi network. So if it does, then you need to just click on join. And if the lamp cannot connect, you cannot find it in the app, then you may need to hard reset it. And if you don't know how to do it, there is a video on our channel on how to reset your XIAOMI LED Desk Lamp 2. Now select the room that the lamp will be in. I'm gonna leave it in the dining room. Next. Then you can rename it if you want. I'm gonna just click on next and leave the default one. Now you can also share this home, so you can share the device with someone else. I'm gonna click on do not share now, and then you can select continue to prompt or don't prompt. I'm gonna click on don't prompt. Then I'm gonna agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and you can see I'm in the app now. Now I can turn on the lamp or turn it off. It's really bright right now, so I can turn the brightness down. I can change the temperature. I'm gonna make it cooler. You can also change the presets like reading, computer, warmth, leisure, office, entertainment. You can also enable turn off delay. You can set a schedule. and you can set an automation. I'm gonna turn the lamp off, and this is basically how you use it. In the other videos, I'm gonna also show you in detail on how to use each setting. So if you don't know how to set something up in the app, then you can just find it on our channel. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.